Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the best deals video for next week at Walgreens, which would be the 6th through the 12th of November. And I know I have not been very active the past few weeks. This sickness has really taken a toll and has really hung out. But I'm starting to feel a lot better. And I'm starting to feel like myself again, and I'm ready to get back into the swing of things. I really love making videos and bringing you content, so I am just ready to get back into the swing of things. So thank you all for understanding and for the messages and things like that, for checking on me. I really do appreciate it. So I think we've got some pretty good deals for next week at Walgreens. Some really good household items that I'm excited to grab. And we have a ton of Ibotta rebates attached to a lot of these offers or these deals that I'm going to show you today. So we're just going to jump into the deals. The first deal is a deal that's going on that will be going on next week. And you can do it either or, but it won't be a $2 money maker if you do it the one way. So this is for the Oral-B toothbrushes. They're buy two, get back a $5 register reward, and they are $4 a piece. Now with the toothbrushes, there's a few different coupons. There's a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is working for these. It's also working for the floss picks. So they're pay $5, and then you'll get back a $5 register reward. Now if you just get the floss picks, then they would be free. But if you get the toothbrushes, then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back on each one, making the toothbrushes free and a $2 money maker, or the floss picks for free. I wanted to put the floss picks up there because they're included in the same deal, and you might want to get those instead of toothbrushes. So next is the Garnier skincare. Now this might not look like a great deal, but say if you like this type of product and you have a large spend booster, you can throw this in there and it would be a little bit cheaper for you. So they are buy two, get one free this month, and you'd pick up one of the micellar waters, or you could just pick up 3 wipes. But you're going to pick up one of the micellar waters and 2 of the micellar water wipes. There is a 5 off 2 Garnier digital coupon that you can use. After that coupon comes off, then your total will be $12.48 for all 3 products. Considering the micellar water is almost $11, it's like paying for the micellar water and getting 2 of the wipes for free. I would probably do this deal because I use micellar water every day. So if you're someone like me, then this would be a really good deal for you. So next we have the Tide, and this is for the big bottles. The Tide is 2 for $5, and they're going to be on sale for $11.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of those. It's going to cost $23.98, but then you can use a $3 coupon from the November P&G and a $3 printable coupon. We might be getting digitals. I'm not sure if we're getting a digital for it or not. You would pay $17.98, get back a $5 register reward, and it would cost you $12.98 for 2 of them. If you have a spend $20, get back $5 for a digital spend booster, then your total would be $7.98 for 2 of them. But if you don't have a booster, then you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this, and I think it's a really great deal. Now it is showing in the ad that there is some Charmin that is priced at $13.99 and is also buy 2 get 5. I do not know if that's part of the same promotion or not. There's no way of telling in the ad, but they might be part of the same promotion, and it's not showing all the items that are included. It just says household essentials, and it's got the Tide Tide pictured. So you can do with that what you will. Next we have the Lysol wipes. These have been on promotion for buy one, get one free, and they're priced at $6.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of them, and you're going to pay $6.99. Of course, you can use Walgreens cash to pay with that. There's no type of other promotion in the store, if that makes any sense. I don't think I worded that right. But the Ibotta rebates did reset. I know earlier in the week there was a 75-cent rebate and a bonus on Ibotta. But that bonus, I do believe, is going to be expired by the time the new week starts, but the offer did reset. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents on each one of them. Then there is a swag bucks promotion going on That does include Walgreens. When you buy 2 Lysol wipes, you will get back $4 or 400 SBBs on swag bucks. So you'll get the $4 back, making your final cost for the both of them just $1.49 or 74 cents a piece. And there is a lot of wipes in these packages. I love them. Absolutely love them. Next, we have the Finish products. Now, I know this might not be the greatest deal, but it's definitely some significant savings, I think, about 75% savings. So I definitely wanted to share that with you. Plus, you can use Walgreens cash and get some actual cash back. So I think that's a win-win all the way around. So the Finish tabs and the Jet Dry rinse are on are on sale for $4.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Finish, as well as a printable coupon on coupons.com, and then there's the coupons.com app. So there's lots of different ways to get $1.50 off on each one. You'd pay $6.98, get back $1.50 for the Quantum and $1.25 for the Jet Dry spray. And it is showing on my Ibotta that the dollar bonus is still available. When you buy one of the Quantum and one of the Jet Dries, you get additional dollar back, making it $3.23 for the both of them, and I think that's a really good deal. Next, we're going to do a few oral care deals, and I saw this on My Own Identities channel, and I really want to do it. I think it's a fabulous, fabulous deal. So, for electric toothbrushes, they are included in a promotion for spend $50, get back $20 in Walgreens cash, and it's double dipping with a promotion where you spend $12, you get back a $6 register reward. So you would buy 4 of the battery electric powered toothbrushes that are priced at $15.99. From what I've seen on the app, there's 3 different kinds. You're going to use 2 $2 digital coupons from the November P&G and a $2 digital coupon. I would also throw in some register rewards if you had them to help lower your out-of-pocket. So I have on here pay $57 after the coupons, but it's $57.96. Then you would get back $20 in Walgreens cash and a $6 register reward. Then you can submit your receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com website and get back a $15 gift card, because after your coupons you're still spending $50. You'll get back a $15 gift card. And I did this already, and I got my gift card within like 2 weeks. So they were really fast at getting me my gift card. So after you get everything back, your final total would be $16.96 for 4 of them. So it's like buying 1 and getting 3 for free. You can also pair it in with a booster. So for example, if you have, say, a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, then your total would be, $5 cheaper. If you want to build up your transaction to where you have $50 with a combined total of cash out of pocket and your coupons, you can do that and then use Walgreens cash to pay. But that would be a pretty big transaction. So for all intents and purposes, we're just going to do it this way. And if you would like to do it the other way, you certainly can. So another variation of this deal would include the Crest white strips. You would buy one of those for $29.99. And then I do believe you say it this way, it's an emulsion kit. You would get one of those for $29.99. There are $10 digital coupons for each one of these on the app. And so after the coupons, you would pay $39.98. Then you'll get back $20 in Walgreens cash and a $6 register reward. If you had any boosters, absolutely use a booster with this. Then you could submit to the pggoodeveryday.com website. You would only be able to get back a $5 gift card because after coupons were under the $50. So they do have one where I do believe it's spend $20. After coupons, you can get a $5 gift card if you would like. Absolutely great deals for both of them. If you have any questions about these type of deals, then you can definitely, well, any questions in general, you can leave them down below and I will answer them the best that I can to help you out if you're interested in doing something like the white strips or the toothbrushes that are the battery powered ones and building up your transaction. So then the last deal that I have for you is Aveeno lotion. You might be getting sick of Aveeno deals, but I think this is still a pretty good deal. Plus, you're getting a lot of actual cash back and not just register rewards or Walgreens cash. So the Aveeno lotion is part of the promotion where you buy 2, you get 1 free. So I would grab 3 of the bigger lotions that are priced at $12.79. So your total for the 2 of them will be $25.58. I'm going to use 2 printable coupons that they come from coupons.com. They're no longer available to print, but I do believe that the expiration date on those are 11/15. So then you would pay $21.58, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back for the daily moisturizing lotion, and you'll get back 3 rebates for that. So you will be getting back the $6. Then you're going to submit your receipt to the new Activate Rewards promotion. It's for 2022, the Winter Wellness. I do have it linked down below in the Google Doc so that it will take you over to the Activate Rewards and you can look at all the details for that. So when you spend $25, you will get to submit your receipt and get back a $10 Visa card, whether it be a digital Visa card or a physical Visa card. And then that would make your total $5.58 for the 3 of them. Now, if your coupons have expired, it would be $4 more, but it's a really great way to turn in Walgreens cash or a register reward into actual cash. So I personally would use Walgreens cash on this deal, and then I would just be turning it into real cash with something like this. So next I have a spend booster scenario for you. This is a little bit bigger one, just because this is what I've been getting a lot of, and of course you could pare it down for a spend 20, get 5. So we're going to pick up 2 of the toothbrushes at $4 a piece. We're going to get 2 of the Lysol wipes, a Finish Quantum tabs for $4.99, and the Jet Dry rinse for $4.99. We're going to get 3 of the Aveeno lotions, and then we're also going to get 2 of the Complete Home bags. Those are buy one, get one free this coming week, and they're priced at $2.79. So that would make our total $60.30. Now we don't have a lot of coupons for this scenario, but I think it's going to pay off in the end. So we're going to use a 3 off 2 digital for the crust. We're going to use $2.50 coupons for the finish. And we're going to use two $2 coupons for the Aveeno lotion. Then we're going to pay $50.33. I know that seems like a lot, but we're getting a lot back in actual cash. So we're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We're going to get back $1 back for each one of the toothbrushes. We're going to get back 75 cents for each one of the Lysol wipes, $1.50 back for the Quantum Finish tabs, $1.25 for the Jet Dry, and $1 Finish bonus. We're going to get back $2 for each one of the Aveeno lotions. We're going to get back $4 on swag bucks and $10 back from the Visa Activate Rewards promotion. That would make our final total for all of those products just $3.08, which is absolutely incredible for everything that we are getting. Plus, we are actually getting back over $27 in actual cash with this scenario. So I think this is absolutely a fabulous deal, and I'm excited to do it next week. So that is everything that I have for you this week for the Best Deals video. Stay tuned. There's another video coming out from me today. If you want to have these deals with you on hand, there is a Google Doc down below in the description box to help you out. So thank you all very much for your kindness and your patience, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.